Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiffany. I make videos on skincare, makeup, and motherhood, and I'm doing an unboxing of PIXI Beauty today. So I guess I'm probably officially on the official PR list for PIXI because they sent me another box. This one's a little bit bigger. Yeah, so here it is. I have not opened it. I have no idea what's inside, and I'm really excited to jump in. So let's do it. What do you think it is?
I think it's a palette.
Oh.
I think it's, green eyeshadow.
Oh, you heard me mention that.
Mm.
I have no idea. I wonder if it's gonna be skincare. I don't know.
It will be.
Because they do skincare also. But okay, here we go. Let's open it. Let's see together. Ooh. Skintreats. Love the skin you're in. Hashtag Skintreats. I think I might have been right about the skincare thing. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. My dog just hid under the couch. So here's the box. It's very pretty. As always, I mean, PIXI, their packaging is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, wow. Look.
Oh man,
Wow,
that's freaking cool.
That's cool. Oh, that's fun. It's like a spinner.
Peel time.
That's so fun. It's like a game board.
That is freaking tight.
Take some me time to treat yourself. I wish I opened this earlier today. Which must-have mask will you enjoy today? Simply spin the dial and let the relaxation begin.
We should do masks tonight.
We should. Sorry, I'm obsessed with this. This is so fun. Depuff, detox, peel, glow, purify. And then it has this really, holy smokes, this is so soft. It's like a terry cloth washcloth. Wow, PIXI, oh my gosh, wow. Wow. I have used PIXI's, what is it called? The Glow Tonic. I've used the Glow Tonic and I love it. I actually visited the PIXI in LA, and so I picked up a Glow Tonic, and then, like I said before, I tried the cheek jelly stuff. I am going to break into these things tonight as soon as possible. If you're interested in seeing each of these products, I'm gonna go ahead and look at them right now. So we've got the Detoxify Depuffing Eye Patches. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm so obnoxious right now. I'm just super excited because this is so cool. There are 30 pairs in here. And then we have the Detox Mask. It is the Glow Mud Mask. Let's see what some of the ingredients are in here. It says it's aloe vera, ginseng, mineral-rich mud. It's deep pore cleansing and deep skin energizing. Then we have the peel, which that seems really interesting to me. When I worked at a skincare studio, we did a lot of peels, so I'm really interested to see if this is like an at-home version of that. So this is the peel and polish. It looks amazing. It says you can use morning or night. If you do use a peel or some sort of heavy exfoliant, make sure you use sunscreen during the day. Then we have the Glow sheet masks. Okay, so this one has glycolic acid, ginseng, and witch hazel. And then we've got down here, Purify T-Zone Peel-Off Mask. I don't use a lot of peel-off masks. I've used one before and it hurt really badly. So I'm a little nervous to use this. Maybe I'll have Drew try it. His face is like this. And then we have this beautiful cloth that's super soft. This is so awesome. I mean, okay, let me just say something really quick about this spinner thing. I think it's a super cute idea, but I think maybe don't leave your skincare up to chance. I think you need to like evaluate how your skin is doing, and yeah. So if you happen to get this box, maybe don't use the chance spinner. I don't know. I just think you should really be thoughtful about your skincare and But yeah, this is really fun. So thank you so much to PIXI. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. I could do this all day.